Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Uh, Today I'm going to be unboxing this item for you, the automotive test light, and hopefully testing out. This is for cars to check like fuses and just like brakes in connections and stuff like that. So yeah, this is a sponsored item. I'd like to thank VXDAS for sending this out to me. This is the company that they own as well underneath the brand of VXDAS. This is called SigmaProbe, so they own that company. So I guess I could thank both companies. So thank you SigmaProbe, thank you VXDAS sending this out to me. So automotive test light, smart, accurate and convenient. This goes for $18, which is about £15. Not bad actually. So yeah, 5 to 30 volts you can do automotive test light. Voltage measurement, positive and negative detection, frequency prediction, jump function, short circuit detection. You can actually do quite a lot of things, guys. So yeah, currently I don't have a car. It's currently getting the turbo done, so I've not had a car for a week. It's another 2 weeks left with no car because of how big of a job it is. And yeah, let's just say I've been to every possible place I could go to and ended up taking it to my friend and his garage. So yeah, this is the tool itself. Oh, I like it. It's like a green. Where it'll come out. There's a manual in there somewhere. There you go, guys. Oh, it's even in a package. So they didn't package this, they packaged that. Interesting. I guess give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, so this is the probe itself. As you can see, you got massive LED. It's not an LED, it's like a halogen bulb. What the hell? It's like an actual headlight bulb, like a H, so not H, like a W5W bulb. What the hell, guys? That's mental. Alright, guys, so you got input output, I believe, or some shit. You got screen there with the voltage. Okay, but then what do you actually plug in there? There's something missing. The probe is missing. Or is it there? What? Oh, what? Look here, guys. Is that missing or what? I don't get it. Ah, look here. Let me see if there's a picture. Well, there's a picture in there. I'll show you now. Let me take this off first. 1 second, guys. Ah, guys, they hid it in there behind it. So that's why I couldn't find it. So there it is. That's what I was missing. That's what I was thinking. Hey, how am I going to test anything? It's fully missing. So yeah, this is it. Take the probe off. I don't know why they didn't just. Oh, because it's very sharp. Wow, that's sharp. Okay, so I'll put this in. It's just a circle. No, it's a square. How will that fit in there? I think I have to take the top off. Yep. So let me take the top off, guys. Now this should fit in there some way. Let's figure it out. Oops. Trying to do this with one hand is very difficult. Bloody hell. Maybe this way. Okay. I cannot do this with one hand. Give me 1 second, guys. Bloody hell, that took a bit of work. So yeah, it's on now. Alright. Usually you have to ground these things, not power it like that. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so there's the thingy. So we've got another probe here. Take the top of that one off. Boop. Okay, so we've got red. This will have to go through some power, so you have to put down your battery power. It's this black probe. I'm thinking, what the hell is it? Where would it go? Maybe it's a ground. We'll find out. So yeah, got the buttons there on. Alright, let's have a look at the manual. See what the manual says, guys. Okay. Yeah, exterior. The main body. Okay, number 1 is the clip. Yep. Number 2 voltage. Yep. Number 3. Where's that? Number 3. Red and green lights. Okay. Number 4. Okay. No, nothing. Alright. What is this manual, guys? So it's a bit overcomplicated for what it is. Yeah, let's have a look. Mode switching. So when you press the modes, comes up on the screen with the what mode you're in. Mode number 1, LED digital display and bulb work at the same time. That's good. Mode number 2, LED digital display works and the bulb does not work. So mode 1 is the best, I think. LED display doesn't work, bulb no works normally. Okay, so yeah. So this is how you do it. This is how you set it up, it says. What? Okay. The clamp is clamped onto the car to the strike iron. Okay, public ground is out. The probe is connected to the tested place for testing. Okay. 2 LED tubes on the top. Blah, blah, blah. Red clip on. The ground probe of the electric pen clip is connected to the forward voltage. So the positive, yeah. So yeah, so red bit goes to the positive, exactly. Green light on. The electric pen probe is connected to the vehicle ground wire. What? Yeah, this is not the best English, but yeah, we'll figure it out, guys. I guess we're gonna have to wait till I get a carb to test it out for you guys. For now, I might just hook it up to my batteries, see what happens. Let's see if we can get some power into this. Okay, got my trusty torches. Bloody hell. Okay, they're in there somewhere. 1 second, guys. Yeah, guys, I tried it on my torch, it doesn't work. So yeah, gonna need a car battery to test it out. And this is very, very, very sharp. It prickled me on my leg for a tiny second and it made me jump. That's how sharp these ends of this and this. So yeah, it looks like a quality product anyway, guys, and from the reviews I can see it's really good. So yeah, I'll do a video on using it, how to use it. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and thank you again for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.